In this video, I'm going to show you how to add levels in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to go to the bottom left over here inside your project browser, and then you want to extend this section which is called elevations. Now whenever you do this, in here you'll see a bunch of elevations, and you simply want to double click on the one you want to open. So for this one, we're going to go with east right now, just for this example. So I'm going to double click on it like this, and it's going to open up like that. Now after you do this, you actually want to open up the level tool. Now to find this, you want to go to architecture up top, or of course structure. It's completely up to you. I'm gonna go to architecture, and then over here on the right you can see it says level. Of course you could just click on level over here, or inside structure you can find level over here. With these tabs selected, you could also press L 2 times on your keyboard as it says over here, and it's going to enable the level tool as well. Then what you have to do is simply select it by clicking on it, or of course pressing double L on your keyboard, and then from here you can just go and draw your level. Okay, so we can click to define the start point. You can move the cursor to your desired basically length to your right over here, and then you can click again, and just like this you've basically created a level. Okay, you've added it, and now over here at the top left you can see the properties and everything like that. Okay, so that's essentially how to add levels. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.